Hi, Tita Net. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sing. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Net. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Net. Happy birthday. Kamusta ka naman, friends? Happy 21st. Oops. 21st? Secret ba yun? Quiet na kayo. Happy 21st birthday, Net. And, I hope you're enjoying your day so far. And all the videos that, all the people who loves you. Lahat ng videos na sinend nila. Ano ba yun? English. Ang hirap kasi mag-English, diba? And thank you so much for all those years that you've kept up with me. You know, no, quiet. Tita Net, happy birthday. And, you know, everything that happened to me, yung ups and downs ng buhay ko, yet, you've been there for me all the time na, always, you've been there for me every time nahihingi ako ng help sa'yo, ng advice, and never kang nagsasawa. And, what I like best about you is, sinasabi mo yun as is, you're not quick to judge other people. You always give them a chance. Siguro hindi yung gusto ng mga other people. That's about you. That's why you have so many friends, so many people who love you. And what else? What else will I say to Tita Net? Birthday. Net, sa 10 years or so ng friendship natin, I also know all the things that you've been through. So today, I wish and pray for your happiness today and always and forever and ever. I wish you happiness not only to love life. I know you're very happy. I wish you happiness with your family, sa mga cute mong mga pamangkin. And I know how responsible you are. I know how you do everything in your power to keep everything intact. And I salute you for that. Feeling ko hindi ko magagawa yung mga things na ginagawa mo. And what else? I'm really thankful, Net, because you're one of the best friends that I have. I think na you will be one of the best friends that I will ever have in my lifetime. That's how great you are. You're so good. So don't ever change. You're sobrang sweet mo. You're so caring towards your friends. And yung sincerity mo is so real. You're one of the few people that I can talk to na I don't have to mind my manners. No inhibitions in whatever I tell you. So I really wish that you will be safe always. I want you to be happy most of all. Just remember to live by the teachings of the Bible. Keep God's word in your heart, and everything will follow. Everything will follow. Just make God your priority. Make Him the number one on your list. And blessings, prosperity, everything else that your heart desires, God will grant it to you. So that's it. Ham and I, wala kasi si Cesar dito. So the three of us from the Kalinga family, we wish you a happy birthday. And don't ever forget that I'm always here for you, Net. I love you so much. And stay safe. I love you, friends. Buha ka. Bye-bye. Kiss, kiss. Hayayu. Happy birthday. Bye.
Bye.